Good morning, dear children. This is me, Soumya Srivastav. Today I am going to teach you lesson 2, Human Body Teeth. Before I starting this chapter, once I remind you all the points of the last chapter which I already discussed with you. So in the last chapter we learn about human body, food we eat. What does food contain? Components of food, balanced diet, avoiding wastage of food, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, roughage and water. All the things are very essential for our body and development and growth of our body. So in the next chapter is human body, the teeth, lesson 2. So in this chapter we learn about our teeth. Okay, so first we learn about teeth, types of teeth, parts of a tooth and care of our teeth. Listen children, all the human beings need food for their survival. Those food we can eat by our mouth, and teeth help us to cut and bite the food properly. So let us learn about in this chapter how can we protect them. So teeth, there are two types of teeth. One is temporary or a milk teeth and the second one is permanent teeth. So first one is temporary. A set of temporary teeth is also called a milk teeth. Mostly children start developing at the age of 3 months or at the age of 6. They usually have about a set of 20 teeth. Next we are talking about permanent teeth. Around the age of 6, milk teeth start fall out. A new teeth appear at their place, bigger teeth. This set of teeth is also called permanent set of teeth. So an adult usually have about 32 teeth in their mouth. Next we are talking about types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and the molars. Incisor, I will show you. There are 4 incisor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 incisor in each jaw. 1, 2. 2 canines in each jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 premolars in each jaw and the 6 molars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 molars in each jaw. This is I'm talking about adult teeth. So 16 tooth in each jaw, 16 both in upper jaw and the lower jaw. But now next we are talking about in children. There are 3 types of teeth. They don't have premolar. They only have incisor, canines and the molar. They do not have a premolar. They only have a 20 teeth. But in case of adult, they have all teeth present in their mouth like canines, incisor, premolars, molars. But in children, they don't have premolars. Okay. Next, parts of a tooth. Each tooth has a crown and a root. The part of a tooth that is present inside the gum is called a crown. The part of a teeth inside the part of a tooth that is present inside the gum is called the root. The gums surrounded the teeth and hold them firmly in their place. A tooth is made up of 3 following layers. First one is enamel, second one is dentine and the third one is pulp. Enamel is the very hardest portion of a tooth and it is generally white. Next, dentine. It is layer below enamel and it is generally yellow in color. Next, pulp. It is a very sensitive or it contains nerve and blood vessels. Now next point is care of teeth. Okay children, you must take care of your teeth. If you do not clean them properly, food particles may get stuck between them and leading to the growth of germs. And these germs, a yellow sticky layer which is called plaque. And this release acid that is destroy the enamel of the tooth. This result of tooth decay and cavities. So if you want to care of your teeth, so you keep follow the dental advice like rinse your mouth well after meals and brush your teeth at least twice a day, in a morning and a night. Massage your gums regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.